Cambelt symptoms and importance. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial component in your car's engine, the cambelt. If you've ever heard a strange noise under the hood or noticed a sudden drop in performance, chances are it could be related to your cambelt. Symptoms of a bad cambelt. So, what are the signs that your cambelt might be on its way out? Let's dive in. Engine misfiring. This is often the first symptom. If your engine feels like it's skipping beats or running rough, it could be a sign of a misaligned camshaft caused by a worn or broken belt. Rough idling? Does your car shake or vibrate when idling? This could indicate that the engine's timing is off, which is another common symptom of a bad cambelt. Loss of power. Notice your car feeling sluggish or taking longer to accelerate. A worn cambelt can reduce the engine's overall power output. Noise from the engine. Listen for any unusual noises coming from under the hood. A bad cambelt can make a squeaking, squealing, or ticking sound. Difficulty starting? Is your car struggling to turn over? This could be another sign of a cambelt issue. Check engine light. If the check engine light comes on, it's a good idea to have your car inspected, as a bad cambelt can trigger this warning. Importance of cambelt maintenance. Why is it so important to keep your cambelt in good condition? Well, a broken cambelt can lead to serious engine damage. When the belt snaps, it can cause the pistons to collide with the valves, resulting in bent valves, damaged cylinder heads, or even a blown engine. When to replace your cambelt. Recommended replacement interval for cambelts varies depending on the make and model of your car. However, it's generally recommended to replace your cambelt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles or according to the manufacturer's service schedule. Remember, catching cambelt issues early can save you a lot of money and hassle in the long run. So, if you notice any of the symptoms we've discussed, don't ignore them. Get your car checked out by a mechanic as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.